Basically, the first question I have for you, I think it's one of the most popular questions I get. Is it legal? Like, is it acceptable by Amazon to buy or sell Amazon stores?
Okay, so the quick answer is yes, and we get this question almost every day. There's a lack of knowledge regarding everything that has to do with transferring Amazon accounts. So the quick answer again is yes, it's possible, it's legal, it is okay with Amazon. Okay, we get that a lot as well. Is it okay? Yes, it's okay with Amazon. You just need to have the process, done correctly. If you're not experienced, then, we suggest hiring someone to help you with the process. Okay, because different things can go wrong along the way.
So basically, it's legal. Like Amazon accepts the fact that people can buy and sell accounts, but also businesses. Both are legal, of course, as long as you do it by their rules. And you guys help with that. So obviously, people, if they're like looking for solutions, they don't want to do it alone. You guys can help. As I mentioned, the forms are in the description. But basically, it's legal, which is pretty good to hear. And as long as it's done right and by the rules, so pretty cool.